Then we have 3 targeted serums. And these are nice because they kind of have, a lot of our serums are either like the new Ultimate Supreme Dual Elixir, where it's an everything multi-benefit serum, or they're single key ingredient serums. So these ones are kind of blends where you've got 2 key ingredients in each one. So if you're trying to target more than one issue, this is a great way to do that in just one product. So they're more multitasking serums, if you like. So the first one is the vitamin C 6% and ferulic acid serum. And these are the first things we've had that have had ferulic acid in them, so you may or may not be familiar with that ingredient. But the ferulic acid is much like vitamin C. It's a very powerful antioxidant, and it helps to, my notes just went flying, and it helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors, which that's one of the benefits of using vitamin C, is that it does help protect the skin from environmental stressors. And that's why vitamin C is such a great partner with your sunscreen, why it's great to use both of those together, because it kind of boosts the benefits of your sunscreen. So the vitamin C 6% and ferulic acid serum. We do have the new vitamin C serum, so I know some folks would like to know how they compare. I will say I haven't tried this myself, but I have seen a demonstration of it, so I can definitely say that this is a much lighter weight serum. The vitamin C, a new vitamin C serum, brightening serum, is a little bit heavier, and some folks do find it kind of tacky, where it doesn't quite absorb into the skin. So this one you would be able to use during the daytime under your makeup and not have that effect. Like I always recommend the vitamin C serum that you use that at night. If you find that it doesn't completely absorb in the skin and leaves that kind of tacky feeling, I recommend using it overnight. So this one you wouldn't have to do that. You could use it day or night, and it'll absorb into the skin better. And you've got, it's a little bit less, not as much of the vitamin C. The new vitamin C serum has 10%. This has 6%, which is still a lot of vitamin C, but then you're also pairing it with that ferulic acid. So you're kind of, getting the antioxidant benefit from both of those and getting that protection from the environmental stressors. So sun, pollution, wind, temperature, all of those things that wreak havoc on your skin, this is going to help protect your skin from those. Then we have the niacinamide 10% and panthenol serum. And that one is to, as it says here, refine and soften the skin. So it's going to improve the skin's tone, skin's elasticity, and it's going to strengthen the skin's barrier and lock in moisture. So that's going to be a good addition if you're looking for getting back, evening out your skin tone and getting back some of the elasticity in your skin. And if you're looking, again, the hydration really helps with that. So you want to lock in that moisture. And then last but not least, we have the hyaluronic acid 1.5% and the ferulic acid serum. So another combination there. Hyaluronic acid, of course, is a moisture magnet. It's going to hold 1,000 times its weight in moisture, so it's going to give you instant and long-lasting hydration. So it's going to instantly hydrate your skin, and that hydration is going to last. And then, of course, the ferulic acid, as we talked about with the vitamin C combination, is that powerful antioxidant that's going to help protect the skin from environmental stressors. So we do have the a new hydrofusion hyaluronic acid 1.5% serum. So this is combining the benefits of that serum with those antioxidant benefits. So that is our intro to our Beyond Glow collection. And like I said,